Hi friends, welcome to In Bliss. This is Sindhu Prem and we have been sharing many workshops since last 2 months, and now I want to invite you to a 7-day chakra meditation intensive. We will start from 21st May evening 8 o'clock and end on 28th May evening. We will do two sessions every day, one in the morning, one in the evening, and in total 15 sessions. And as you know, chakras are the energy centers in our body. They run right in the middle of our body. We have 7 main chakras, and during these 7 days we will be using breathing techniques in the morning, and in the evening sound and guided meditation techniques. So these techniques will allow to open our chakras so that we can feel our chakras more. We can bring more awareness into our chakras, bring more vitality, more prana can flow through our chakras. We can heal the emotional parts of it, the psychological parts. Physically, we can bring health back to the chakras, and in the end create space for silence and bliss to descend. Connect to our essence as light. So you all are welcome. In order to register, please call us on the number given below, or you can write to us at inbliss.in@gmail.com. So I see you all there.